Well, let me tell ya. This morning we were live at Harvesters talking about it's Fill the Fridge week, Channel 41. And trying to end the food scarcity in Kansas City, or at least delay it. Yesterday, Iran shot a bunch of missiles at Israel. So we'll see how that's going to play out. Oh boy. And look at these road things they're putting out everywhere in all these intersections to keep people from doing donuts in it and having these, what they call them, sideshows, which usually turn out violent. And right now there isn't much for me, which is good, so I can go have something to eat, take a little break, have something to eat, have some coffee. But also I've caught the crud, so I've been feeling crummy. Ugh. I hate the crud. I think I'm coming over the crummy part of it now, and now I'm getting into the drippy part, unfortunately. Woohoo! Alright, here we are. This is where we're going to get our little break in here. So, alright. Also, forgot to mention that the weather is cooled off a lot. It's in the mid to upper 40s. So maybe we need to think about the winterizing the Navion. I'm not going to feel up to it with this crud that I have, but maybe have to do it. All right. Coffee. I am back here at Union Interlocking. See what I can see after having coffee, something to eat. And I don't have to wait here too long.